First person motivation. Did you know that the way you talk to yourself can reshape your reality? Science confirms it. Recent research shows that up to 80% of our thoughts are negative and repetitive. These automatic thoughts are shaped by past experiences and over time create deep-rooted beliefs that either build us up or tear us down. But here's the truth. If you don't take control of your self-talk, it will take control of you. The good news? You can rewire your brain for confidence, success, and resilience just by changing the way you speak to yourself. Therapists and neuroscientists agree. Speaking to yourself in a positive, supportive way can reduce stress, boost performance, and make daily life more enjoyable. In fact, a simple phrase like, "Today is going to be a great day," first thing in the morning, can program your brain to seek out positive experiences. This is why my channel, First Person Motivation, is built differently. Most motivation talks to you, but on this channel, you don't just listen, you become the words. Every audio is in the first person format, meaning you naturally start repeating and internalizing powerful I statements. I am confident. I take action. I attract success. Your subconscious absorbs these words, and over time, they become your reality. To see the change for yourself, listen daily. First thing in the morning, to set your mind up for success. During workouts, to push past mental barriers. On walks or runs, let the rhythm of your steps sync with the words. Before big decisions, gain instant clarity and confidence. Whenever doubt creeps in, reset your mindset instantly. If you're ready to rewire your mind, stop the negative self-talk, and step into the most powerful version of yourself. Start today. Subscribe to First Person Motivation and listen every single day, because the words you say to yourself become who you are.